First of all, go to journal entry and then add a helper column called count ref. Make it dark as it is a backend column. Here I made a mistake in the count reference, but it will be corrected later in this video. Assume the count reference is correct, go back to the table summary. Add the table name TB and add worksheet with the name. Then copy the title to the cell F2 on a new TB worksheet. And then copy the toolbar to the new worksheet as well. Now we need to go back to the table summary and add the table descriptions for the trial balance. Now you can click the trial balance. Here I untick the grid lines. On cell D6, I use the index match formula to extract the GR account numbers from the journal entry. I've explained how this technique works in the previous video. Feel free to click the link on the upper left corner to view it. Here I just want to add a count cell to help find the last GR account number so that no NAs will appear. And I'll add a freeze pane here because I can see where the account starts even if I scroll all the way down. Now I make use of the count cell from I2. I still see the NAs rate, so I go back to the helper column count ref. And I figured that I should use count ifs if I want to get rid of the dash cell on the result GR account list. It's similar to the count if, but just include more criteria. Now we have the sequence that we want. Since we changed the helper column, we need to change the count cell as well. It's just returning the maximum amount. Now we know that we only need to return 12 accounts. Go back to journal entry, copy these two cells and paste it here. Then we have the title capable of language switch. Control 1 to make its background dark and group the row so that we can turn it on and off. Then we can copy the title for the amount columns. Now we use the sum ifs to grab the total for each GR account number. Do the same for the credit amount. We are almost done. Here I'm formatting the amount column. It's totally optional. Now I copy the account name column from the journal entry. And use the index match to fetch the account name from the chart of accounts. Usually, I'll add a checksum to make sure the debits are equal to the credits.